How to make Outlook show both sender name and email address. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Outlook. Then you'll find all your mails. Click on By Attachment, and here click on By Account, and you'll find everything in here. If that does not work, click on View at the top, and then click on Change View. After you've clicked on Change View, you'll find different options pop up. Click on Manage Views. In here, click on Modify, click on Columns, and from here you can change what you want on the left side and on the right side. If you don't want, select the name one and then press on OK. After you've done that, you're good to go. This is how to make Outlook show both sender name and email addresses. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.